Hello, today I'm in Ford Tourneo. In this video I'll show you how to enable front wipers. In the beginning, let's take a look behind the right side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this lever. Simply push this lever forward, upwards once to use it in auto mode. Also you can manage auto mode via this button right here. You can roll. It means you'll change its intensity. Next, push this lever upwards again to enable front wipers in slow mode, and again to enable it in fast mode. You can also use front wipers once if you pull this lever. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.